bored. I want to watch TV. I'm gonna watch TV. What? I need to get one of these amazing cars. Oh, these cars. They're only 200 pounds. That is cheap for a car. Oh, I really need one. I really need one. Somebody's at the door. I'll go get it. I'm gonna go get the door. Oh, hey guys. How are you? I'm good. Did you hear about that new car? Hold on. Yeah, did you hear about that new car, bro? Yeah, I heard about that car, and I wonder who has it. Beep, beep! What? He has a new car! It's... What? It's Jacob's! Dad has the car? What? Yeah, guys, I totally have the car. How did you get that? I got it off eBay. Well, it's only £1. Give me that car. No, I will. Give me that car. I'll beat you up. Give me that car. I think I beat him up. Whoa. He beat up my dad. No, stop it. Get away, you stupid. Let me just drive the car. I get to drive the car. Oh, let me try this out. It is better than my toy Thomas. Well, I'm gonna fall. I guess I'll be keeping it. No, don't. Please don't. Please don't take the car. I will. Please don't, Josh, please. I have to, Leo. I have to. No! I'm in it. See you around later. Oh, you can drive it? I even got mine above my head. Oh yeah. Can't wait to tell him. Hey Leo. What? That car. What about it? Don't tell me! It was fake. I just wanted to do it the way you... But Josh. I'm gonna beat you up too. That video, and if you don't know Super Mario Logan, he does like this puppet thing, and I just decided to do it with ball tags. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye. For now, peace out.